I'm about to show you a wedding film editing and marketing technique that will blow your couple's minds and get you more bookings. This technique is called a same-day edit, but that's a bit of a loaded name because you may have heard of wedding videographers creating one of these before, where you film a wedding and then you show a fully edited wedding video from the day at the wedding reception. And we have just started this video and you probably already have objections and questions. Matt, you expect me to not only film an entire wedding day and somehow find time during the filming to edit a full video as well? Are you insane? Well, the answer to both of those questions is yes, but what if I told you that what makes this marketing technique so special is that it's not at all like the old style of same-day edit that is in your head, and more importantly, anyone who films weddings can use this technique. Yes, even if you are filming a wedding solo with no one else helping you, I'm betting you could still pull this off and create a same-day edit that will blow your couple's minds and also get you more wedding bookings. Are you intrigued? I hope that you're intrigued because this is super cool, so stick with me. Also, you should know that appropriately, this video is sponsored by my friends at Bride and Groom Video. While they cannot help you with a same-day edit, they're not going to come to the wedding and edit it right there with you. They can help you with getting your edits done incredibly quickly because they offer one of the fastest turnarounds for wedding film video editing out there, where you can send them a wedding that you would like to have edited, and 14 days later, yes, just 2 weeks, you can have a fully edited video ready for you to send to a couple. Imagine having no editing backlog this year. That is what Bride and Groom Video are offering you. They have an amazing custom-built backend where you can upload your footage and tell them all about your style, and they will edit a huge variety of wedding film types: teasers, ceremonies, documentary edits, you name it, they will do it, and they have some of the most affordable rates out there. Not to mention, if you use the coupon code MATT100, that will save you $100 off the cost of your first edit of $400 or more from them. So go check out Bride and Groom Video at the link in the video description. Now let's get back to editing this potentially intimidating same-day edit that I promise you is going to be one of the best marketing moves that you've ever made as a wedding filmmaker. First off, like I said earlier, the title same-day edit is a bit of a loaded phrase because back in the day, whenever I was starting to film weddings in 2010, a same-day edit was a very involved and difficult to pull off wedding filmmaking technique, which may be how you are envisioning it. Where it has to be this big, grand production with what is essentially a full wedding film that's completely edited and ready to be presented to the couple on a projector, and the entire wedding reception stops to watch it. But what if you didn't have to do all that? What if you could make something that was significantly easier and simpler, but still have the same end result of blowing a couple's mind, showing your work to all the guests at the wedding reception, and giving you footage that you can use to immediately market yourself to get more bookings? Let's remove the stress now with this updated same-day edit technique. Step 1, you do not tell the couple that you are doing this. If you tell the couple you're going to be making a same-day edit, they're going to say yes, they're going to be super excited, but this is just another thing that you are going to be having to deal with the couple expecting, which is going to give you more stress on the wedding day because you now have even more duties to perform than just filming the wedding. Instead, you make this same-day edit a surprise. You do not tell them you've made it until the video is done, which means that if you run out of time or the poop hits the fan and something goes wrong at the wedding and you miss the moment, it doesn't matter because nobody knows you're making this video. So you can stop, deal with whatever's happening at the wedding, and worst case, you can use whatever work you have done to get a head start on the actual wedding film edit. Next, let's talk about the actual assembly of this edit. And here's another area where you can remove a ton of stress and save so much time. The biggest and most dramatic change by far is going to come by you completely ignoring audio in this edit. Your same-day edit is not going to have any audio. No vows, no tearful letters between the couple, no funny toasts, and here's the big one, no music. Seriously, Matt? Yes, remember, you are not telling the couple you're doing this. You are not presenting this wedding film on a projector and telling everyone to stop what they're doing and watch it. No, this is a video that is going to be playing at a very loud reception with music already blaring from the DJ, so the audio doesn't matter at all. You can remove it completely. You just need video clips on your timeline, no sound at all. Now, do you understand what removing the audio and especially the music from your edit is going to do? For us as wedding film editors, so much of our editing of the wedding film is dictated by the music that we choose and how we can shape the clips to fit the music. But if you have no music, you're going to discover that you can edit absurdly quickly because, and here's the secret of what makes a great same-day edit, and that is pretty video clips. Forget your heartfelt vows and cheesy toasts from the best man. You aren't looking for that in this edit. All you are doing is looking through all of the footage that you have filmed up to this point and picking the best shots. If you are someone like me that loves filming portraits of the couple, you can make that 75% of this video, and that's fine. Forget copying all of the footage from your memory card too. Just connect your memory card to your computer and browse through it quickly for clips that you can use, copy those, and save copying the rest of the memory card until after the wedding. Remember, you are going for speed here, looking for the best clips with the biggest wow factor. You want clips where if somebody is walking by in a loud reception, they're going to stop and their jaw will drop because it looks so good. This edit is really your opportunity to show the couple as well as all the wedding guests what your creative eye and vision saw on the wedding day. Once you have these clips copied, throw them on your timeline, cut out the beginning and end where your camera was shaky, rearrange them for maximum impact. And at this point, if this edit has taken you longer than 15 minutes to put together, you are doing it wrong. You need to be less of a perfectionist because picking pretty clips should not take you long at all. Your end goal with this edit should be to aim for about 1 minute to a minute and a half long video length. Anything longer than that, and people aren't going to stand around and watch it, so you want something quick. And heck, even if you run out of time and you could only make a 30-second edit, that's fine. What's important is that you have something. Once these clips are on the timeline, throw a quick color grade on all of them. I recommend checking out my color presets if you're looking for a way to get vibrant and true to life colors on your log footage incredibly quickly, and then hit render. Heck, you don't even need to render in 4K. Just do a quick 1080p render. I have tutorials on my YouTube channel showing you the best quick export settings. I will link to those color presets and the export settings down in the video description. In total, this entire edit should have taken you about 30 minutes once you get quick at it, but at the very most, it will be less than an hour. So it's really going to be up to you to find time in the schedule when you can carve out a moment to edit. When I watched Matthew Reid do this, he knocked the entire edit out at the wedding reception in the downtime of cocktail hour, plus a little bit of time after the formal dances. He had another filmmaker with him who was helping capture footage in case anything important happened, which I think is the ideal. But like I said at the start of this video, I fully believe that you could do an edit like this while filming a wedding solo. You may just have to have your laptop going at the back of the reception, and you can try to steal any extra time back there that you can. Anyways, once this video is rendered, you are ready to show it. And this is another area where you can remove a lot of the pressure and stress. So forget the projector, forget trying to get a couple to set up TVs at the reception. No. Just take your laptop, which you have just edited the video on, and which I'm pretty sure has a great screen, carry that out to the reception, find an open table, put your laptop on it, turn up the screen brightness, and call the couple over and tell them you have a surprise for them. It's at this moment, I kid you not, you will blow their minds. No couple expects this on a wedding day. And in our current society, where people don't want to have to wait for edits, they're going to be so shocked that you have pulled off some sort of magic and already made them an edit. They will hug you, they will cry, and I want you to just live in this moment for a little bit. Breathe in deep, just take it in because it's a fantastic feeling. Top 10 moments as a wedding videographer. I kid you not, it feels so good to make something like this. And then after the couple has watched it maybe a few times at this point, it's at this point that it's time for the marketing, because whenever you show this video, even on your laptop at the wedding reception, the other guests at the reception are always paying attention to the couple. So they're going to notice that the couple has gone over and are watching a video on your laptop. And you're going to start to generate a crowd of sorts. People are all going to be wanting to watch it. The friends and family members are all going to be just as shocked and amazed as the couple. And then your job from this point is very simple. All you have to do is set up your video to play back on a loop, make it full screen on your laptop, leave it on the table, and let it play. By doing things this way, creating this style of same-day edit, you aren't making everyone sit down and watch the wedding video once. You are instead letting it passively play through the rest of the wedding reception. And any guests that are interested will come up and watch it. And if you think about it, those guests are really a captive audience. They're going to be at the reception for several more hours. The video is right there for them to watch. And if you compare how much this edit will be viewed at the reception versus you taking the same edit and uploading it to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube and hoping the algorithm shows it to future couples, no, showing this same day edit to the couple and their friends, all of whom are around their age and most likely getting married too, is such a great marketing technique. And the odds are that more and more people will watch it throughout the evening. And if any of those people at the wedding are engaged and looking for a wedding videographer, they're going to see this footage and say, oh my gosh, this is who I should hire. How do I hire you? Now, we are not done. There are actually 3 more things that you can do to really make this a marketing home run for your business. So please do them too. Up first, when you are finishing creating this edit, I would put your logo, especially if it's a pretty looking animated logo, at the end of the video, as well as include your website at the end of the video, which will obviously help boost your bookings because it will make it easier for future couples to find you. Second, if you have business cards, don't be afraid to put a few of them on the palm rest of your laptop where people can reach out and grab them so they can take them home and reach out if they want to hire you. Just a heads up too, if you are rolling your eyes about this. In my experience, younger people don't care as much about business cards, but older people, parents, grandparents, the people who arguably have the money to be paying you to film their sons and daughters' weddings, they love business cards and they will take one and then they will reach out about having you film the wedding. Lastly, but definitely not least, do not let this time and energy that you have spent creating this same day edit go to waste by only showing it at the wedding reception. Your goal should be to have this edit sent to the couple and uploaded to all social media the day after the wedding. Yes, that means that you need to add a song to it, maybe even a bit of audio, but it won't take long. And the quicker the day after the wedding that you can get it uploaded, the more excited the couple is going to be about it, the more they and their friends are going to share it, and the more bookings that you are going to get because of it. So you can really think of a same day edit like this as riding the wave of excitement and joy that the couple is experiencing by presenting your vision in the form of the edit. You don't need a dedicated video team with an editor. You don't need to bring a projector or a TV. You just need 30 minutes at the wedding reception with your laptop, and you are going to be able to create a low stress edit that the couple will absolutely love and that I guarantee will lead to you getting more bookings and filming more weddings in the future. And I want to give shout outs for this technique to several filmmakers. Matthew Reid, who I saw do this kind of edit firsthand at a wedding that I filmed a behind the scenes of, 31 Films, who I know make edits like this fairly often, and last but not least, the people who I really think pioneered this technique, or at least they were the first people talking about it and showing it off and explaining how they did it. The last shout out goes to my good friends at White and Reverie. Now, if you want to learn more about editing, I will link below to my edit videos like a pro guide. This guide is going to show you some of my biggest rules for editing that took me many years to learn, and you will be able to immediately apply these rules to your edits to improve your videos literally overnight. This guide is completely free and you can download it at the link in the video description. Leave me a comment down below too if you use this same day edit technique. I would love to hear how it goes for you and your bookings. Please subscribe and like this video if you want to see more videos about filmmaking and editing. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.